Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Union Ministry of Environment and Forest sorting out their own confusions and illegalities. State has nothing to do with it, says CM. Union Minister Natrajan likely to visit Goa on Tuesday. Another alleged shameful act exposed on Teachers' Day. Teacher molest minor student at Shiroda. Police register FIR, arrest warrant issued. Teachers' Day bonanza. CM assures to clear areas of the government teachers by this month. Announces government's assistance for boys too. Goa police need complete overhaul in discipline, zero tolerance to drugs and flesh trade, cops to intensify coastal security, says DGP. Salgaonkar get a new look, but Salgaonkar Football Club's commitment is the same. New logo, racy anthem and stylish jerseys make Salgaonkar one of India's glamorous clubs. And Salgaonkar Sean Daniel Rooney and Angel Jurado are excited about new challenge, attacking duo capable of producing fireworks on the pitch. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Parrikar has charged that Union Ministry of Environment and Forest has committed several illegalities in mining clearances. He claims that the MOEF is sorting out their own confusions under the garb of investigations and state has nothing to do with it. CM said officials from Mines Department are involved in the mines royalty scam. Investigation is underway and guilty will be brought to book. Meanwhile, MOEF's panel from Bangalore is in Goa to take stock of the situation at the mines and ore dumps. Sources say Union Minister Natrajan is expected to visit the state on Tuesday.
The Mines Department is in limelight from many months over the mining royalty scam. Chief Minister, who is also the Mines Minister, has claimed that the officials of Mines Department are involved in this scam. He was speaking to media persons on Wednesday. He further made it clear that investigation in the mining royalty scam is underway and the guilty will face action. Chief Minister says the Ministry of Environment and Forests has given bogus environmental clearance for many mines. They are trying to rectify their own confusions and illegalities. State has got nothing to do with it. Meanwhile, a 3-member team of the Ministry of Environment and Forests from Bangalore division reached Goa on Wednesday to inspect into alleged illegal mining and mining dumps in Goa. On the first day, they inspected some of the mines in Bicholi area. Central Minister for Environment and Forests Minister Natrajan is expected to visit Goa on Tuesday. A senior reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari.
Is it another shameful act, that too exposed on Teachers' Day? A girl student has alleged that her teacher molested her. Ponda police have registered an FIR against the teacher Yogesh Khandeparkar, who is now missing. Police have issued arrest warrant against the teacher and have asked the family of the accused to cooperate in the investigation. There are reports that the school has suspended the teacher for the alleged crime.
Complaint from the 14-year-old minor girl student claims that Yogesh Khandeparkar molested her in a school on 2 occasions. In a complaint to Ponda police, the girl has complained that teacher molested her once in classroom and then on the ground during Dahi Handi breaking contest.
Yogesh Khandeparkar for molesting the student. The student is just 14 years old and our investigation are in progress. We registered the case under section 354, that is outraging the modesty of the woman, and section 8 of Goa Children Act.
Initially, after being allegedly molested for the first time on 11th August, the victim could not muster courage to file a police complaint. An NGO helped her in approaching police and report the incident.
So have the person has been arrested?
We have gone in search of the accused person, but he is not found the residence. So I have issued a notice to her through his family members to remain present tomorrow for investigation. Offence had taken place on 11th August.
Our reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Teachers' Day Bonanza. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured that the areas of the government teachers would be cleared this month. He also taunted that the teachers are concentrating more on their pending leaves, areas and related issues rather than teaching. He was speaking at the 51st Teachers' Day celebration organized by the Education Department. Parrikar has also assured that not just the girl child, boys too will get government's assistance.
म्हणजे ती लीव सारकी जावन ना, म्हजी सिनियरिटी सारकी जावन ना, म्हणजे ते ग्रेड पे मेळून ना म्हाका सारको, प्रमोशन ना, कोण टेम्पररी आसा, टेम्पररी आशिल्ल्यांक आपले टेम्पररी पिरियड रेग्युलरायजेशन करपाची चिंता, 6 पे जावन बी ग्रुप जालो, एक वर्सा जाल्यार अजून सरकारी टिचरांक, प्राथमीक टिचरांक अजून बी स्केलचे डिफरन्स मेळून ना. ह्या चिंतांनीच शिक्षक चड आसता असो बऱ्याचदा म्हाका अनुभव. हाजो परिणाम म्हणून एकदा शाळे कडेन दुर्लक्ष, हे सगळे विशय लायनीक लावपाचो हांवें प्रयत्न केला आनी फुडल्या एकाडेमीक इयर पर्यंत जवळ जवळ हातलो विशय शिल्लक दवरप ना. बी स्केल सुद्धा प्राथमीक टिचर गव्हर्मेंट सर्वंट्स अजून मेळून ना, ती ह्या म्हयन्या पर्यंत सगळ्यांची क्लियर करपाक बसयल्ली आसा.
The Teachers' Day celebration was held in the capital city at Kala Academy on Wednesday. 9 teachers were awarded with the state award. Ratnakar Lele was also awarded. Parrikar says boys should not feel discriminated as government declares schemes for women and the girl child.
1000 रुपया तू बायलांक दितलो, 1 लाख रुपया चलयांक दितलो. पर्रीकार सगळ्या बायलांचेर खुश, तो तांचे फाटल्यान कितें दिता. चल्यांक काय दिना, चल्यांक म्हाका तक्रार एकट्यान पत्र बरयलें म्हाका, तुमी 2000 चलयांक दिला, आमकां काय कित्याक ना, फुडल्या वर्सा हांव दिता. शाळेन भुरग्या कडेन डिफरन्शिएट करप बरोबर न्हय.
I request the teachers, all teachers, headmasters, to give up your ego, be very humble, simple and loving to all the students.
Our senior reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar, with video journalist Omkar Falari.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.